Let's make some super easy coasters for Valentine's Day. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this little crate from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it white with white chalk paint. I do the inside, the outside, the bottom, all of it, just white. Then I have these cute little mini pallets. I do the same thing. I just paint them. Now, I don't go crazy getting the inside. I just did the front and the sides and the back. So we do have some natural wood showing through like this. If that isn't your jam, go forward and do it the other way. Then I take some dishwasher safe Mod Podge and I'm going to adhere some tissue paper. This is tissue paper from Dollar Tree. And then I sand off the edges. Some people don't like doing it this way. You can cut it and then sand it after, but yeah. Then I'm going to do the sides with some tissue paper I had gotten from Michael's. Look at how fun this is. It's like a stripey. I love it. And I'm doing the same thing. Now I'm using dishwasher safe Mod Podge just because that's what I'm doing on the coasters. But you could use regular Mod Podge on the box if you wanted to. And there's the box. Look at how cute it is. I love it. We're going to set it aside. We're going to let it dry. Then I'm going to do the same thing with our little mini pallets. I'm going to put our dishwasher safe Mod Podge on. Then I'm going to add our tissue paper and I sand off the excess. Again, you can cut it if you prefer, but that's what it looks like. Look at how fun this is. Oh, I love it. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do 2 with the stripe and 2 with the pretty heart pattern. You could do it, all of them hearts, all of them stripes, whatever you want. Half of it striped. I mean, whatever. Then I'm going to use some sandpaper and just get in the grooves of the palette, just because I think it'll look prettier. And then I'm distressing mine. You don't have to distress yours, but I like the vintage kind of vibe. There's that. And then we're going to add some dishwasher safe Mod Podge on the top for each of them. Actually, for all of it. One thing, again, you can use just regular Mod Podge. I was just thinking sometimes cups sweat and it gets wet. And I was just hoping to keep it from, getting sticky and nasty. But again, if all you have is regular Mod Podge, it's probably just fine. But here we go. Again, dishwasher safe Mod Podge on the tops, minimally. But I did all of it. I did the front and the back and all of that. I did use an X-Acto knife to cut the tissue paper for the little holes for the little crate. And I also did the little lines in the grooves for the crate as well. And again, I just sealed it because why not? I was already there. And look at how cute it is. Oh, I love it so much. So adorable. And then we're just going to put all of our cute little coasters, once they're dry, inside our little box. Oh, I love this. It is so whimsical and fun. And yeah, and this is my favorite cup. So of course I'm going to take 400 pictures with my favorite cup. But this is so much fun. Oh, and I think, honestly, Valentine's Day stuff could be all year long. That's just my opinion. It's so pretty, but, whatever. You do what you feel is best. Okay, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.